There we go.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Oh, good morning, everybody. Are we ready for this thing? Don't ask me exactly what it is, but are we ready for it? I see Asia moved. See, I missed some hectic stuff in the afternoon. That was just an uphill climb right there. That is insane. Atlanta, what's up? And Joy, how are you? How's it going? Let me quickly mark out all my things. All of the things. There's that midnight open. Gone. That was new daily. That's gone now. That did not reach that point there that some people thought it would reach. That's fine. Okay. So, let us mark out things. Let's get ready for this day. Basically, New York low. Okay, doke. New York low, New York high. Asia high has been taken. Asia low has not been taken. Did I mark out London low? I should have. Should have been the keyword there. Doesn't mean I have, because I'm sometimes a chop. Oh, I did. Okay. I did. We're good. We're good. I was not a chop yesterday. Winning. Okay, so now let's check if we have a new daily opening gap. We do not. No, we do. We do. It's a little one. No, I take that back. This is an imbalance. Definitely an imbalance. I'm gonna mark it there to there, but technically it goes all the way down there. But this would be the more valid point. I'm actually then going to mark out the open as well. So this is the new daily opening gap. Let's whee that across. Okay. New daily opening gap. Along with it though, I'm also going to do that. Go. Because that is actually where the opening is with that candle. Okay, but there is a bit of a gap there. Awesome sauce. Now we need midnight. I got long under it's then held all day. What the heck, James? So how much are you up? That's a banger freaking trade. Lovely. I'm putting together an omelet at the moment. Ooh, food. Food sounds good. If you might, do you want to have the heat levels that the markets have given you? The heat levels? Interesting, Joy. Okay, what are the heat levels? You have piqued my curiosity. There. Awesome sauce. Okay, we're good to go. You took my hours. I love all my blood. What's up? Made 10% yesterday. Wow. Okay. I feel like that definitely deserves a whoop whoop. Well done. Anyone else that caught that climb yesterday? Well done. Amazing. It's 2% to make 10. I love the cosplay. I'm not cosplaying. What am I cosplaying? Oh, you think this is a doctor? No, this is just my shirt. This is definitely not a cosplay situation here, Explorer. This is just my comfy shirt. Yeah. Because it's a little bit overcast, but it's not hot, but it's not cold. So yeah. That confused the living daylights out of me. I was like, cosplay? What am I cosplaying as? Hey, Isa, what's up? Hey, Lava Turtle. Yo, thanks, Debbie. Me and you both were like... What? Who, how, where, when? I wasn't expecting that little hair to do that. Anyways. Why does my hair look wet? Because it is wet. I did have a shower this morning. Believe it or not. Anyways.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Mark the level on ES and see how it'll work on NQ. Okay, Joy, I'm curious. You piqued my curiosity. Before I do, I wanted to do something. What did I want to do? Top to bottom analysis. That's what I wanted to do. Okay, give me 2 seconds, guys. Let's do this. Daily. Right. Okay. Yes, up, and away it is. For our guess we're gonna just keep waiting for that balance, right? Just hasn't balanced. When this drops, it's gonna drop solidly. Hey Tools, what's up? How you doing? Sorry guys, I'll respond to you now. Okay. Trend is friend until it's not, right? Has slowed down a little bit now, so are we gonna retest that level slightly? Or maybe not. 15-minute. Wow. Okay. 5-minute. Maybe a little bit of a retest back down. Trend is friend. We stick with bulls until proven otherwise, right? I keep thinking the bears are gonna come forth and do their thing, but it's just not happening. The platform that gives you full analysis of currencies, no need for learning. Okay. Good grief. Mark the level on ES and see I'll work on NQ. Wait. Which level, Joy? Which level am I marking up?
Hey, Shaki, what's up?
And Victor! Bless me way. Oh gosh. You keep yourself up to date with what's happening around the world? No, not really, to be fair. Buying a short at 26482. It starts to squeeze, I'll exit. Nice. Joker, how you doing? Keep buying until the buys stop working. Basically, Rolf, that's low-key where we're at, right? Trend is friend until it's not. It's very much a thing. OTT, what's up? First level on ES is 7,100. Okay, oopsie daisies. Honestly, okay. And 7045. Good grief, these are far away. But to say I'm not curious is a lie, so we're marking them. It's losing traders that fuel the trend. Rolf, that's rough. Good grief. Jules, what's up? How you doing? How's it going? How's Joburg weather? I was there for 2 days. It was miserable. Is it still miserable or is it getting better? To anyone that's just hopped on.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
I hope you guys are amazing. Okay, here's the 3 a.m. open. Okie dokie, so opening with a little bit of bearish. Bear with me. Okay. Oh, what am I doing? That's actually not what I'm... Ah. I think I'm funny. Damn, we're at all-time highs. I know. OTT, I was just looking at that as well going... Right. Alrighty then. So this is where I'm going to be relying on the bob levels like a mad lad. They give you a little bit, well, they should theoretically give you a little bit of an indication. So let's see how well they work now that we are at all-time highs. This is going to be the test of the bob levels right now. My target is 26344 if we start to dump. Ooh, so basically at open, at the daily open. I mean, that's not a bad target, to be fair. What up, Louie? How you doing? No, that was the supply and demand zone where all of the middle was up. Oh, okay. How did yesterday go for you? There was some good longs. Yeah, luckily I got a win in. So that was cool. London, I had a little loss. What was it? It was like $38. And then New York got a decent winner chicken dinner of $100. So not bad. Not bad. You know, I just realized how many hobbies I have. How many hobbies do you have, Ethan? I'm fine. Thanks. It's nice. I'm currently having coffee, sunbathing. Then I'm checking the charts. Damn. I'm low-key jelly. It's, well, no, I say that. It has been hot as heck down here. So it's a little bit overcast, which is actually quite nice. It means maybe after London, I can take Perry for a walk without, you know, dying. I'm gonna be trading currencies. No, you won't, OTT. Will you? Really? Wait. Would you actually be trading currencies, or are you just saying that? I feel like you're just saying that. Hey, Dom, what's up? And Usman, hi. Dom says when it breaks the blue line, he's gonna go long. I'm cold. Straight chillin', took a buy at 429. Oh, damn. Okay. Where's your TP at, though? Louis, or are you just kind of letting it run right now? Every time I watch this live, the money is the same. No, it's not. I can promise you that much. Yesterday it was at, what was it? 540. I went up $100. I'd exit if it goes below 460. Well, I do boxing and surfing. Usman, you know, can't complain. Can't complain. Been chilling. OTT, I've been watching ReZero. Good grief. I'm not very far in it yet, but wow. Pretty cool. I'm just trading stop. Did you make any profit? Yesterday I did. Not now, though. James J, keep dropping. Let's go. 304. Looks like it's just tapped into that support level, though. So let's see what it does. I still think this wants to spike back up, personally. Could be wrong. Let's see if it does indeed do that, though. Right, because trend is friend until it's not. So, James, out of curiosity, what was your... I mean, you don't have to tell us, but what was your... It's gonna go down. What was your indication? Or what did you see that made you go, a short is now valid? If you don't mind me asking, I'm just genuinely curious. Oh, nice. There we go, Jules. Walks are the best. Is there anyone in here that uses Autoflow platform with the name... Is it Atas? A.T.A.S? Probably will come back to that. White is one of your colors. Oh, thanks, Atlanta. I appreciate that. So white and red. Like a stereotypical Valentine's Day. Anyways, Market has had 2 good days now. Hey, Louie, how you doing? How do I start? Ooh, how do you start trading? That is a very good question. The answer is it's gonna take a lot of work and effort. This one is... Oh, there we go. So Usman is using Atis. Joy. We've had 3 days of pump from Monday. The market moves in 3 or something. So heavily overextend, the market moves in 3s. Okay, so now you're saying today is just gonna be dumping. Listen, I agree. I've been waiting for it to correct balance. It's just been going. Surely the imbalance has to be corrected eventually. But it is the market. It's never a guarantee. What's up, Eddie? How are we doing? Wow, everyone thinks this is like a cosplay. I'm just chilling. But I'll take it. To be fair, I did wear this to a Renaissance fair, so that's valid. I'll give you that one. 3 is the magic number of life. Wait. Why is 3 the magic number of life? I know the charts, you know, there's the 3 with charts, but why is 3 the magic number of life now? Can someone learn from social media? You can. You can learn from YouTube. You just have to be very careful. I think that's the word. All these gurus and stuff, if someone says they are getting 100% of the time, they're lying. Losing is part of it. Losing is part of trading, unfortunately. I know it upsets a lot of people, but it's all part of the thing, the game. I don't want to call it a game. Maybe, but hopefully it keeps going up. Next day is going to coil. No major dump. It needs to trap buyers up here before dumping. One thing's your cosplay currently, then imagine what people think. If you were to, right? Guys, I've actually put effort into it and actually cosplayed. What on earth would you guys do? Don't believe that I wear at least 8 green daily candles. Check the chart. 369. I don't see Bob level. Yeah, it's there and there. I'm just zoomed in. Because it's not moving that much, but the Bob levels are here. Hey, Green Globe, what's up? How are we doing? Attention 9 is reversal. I was going to use Antos, but instead chose deep charts for a minute, but just found order flow substitutions on TradingView. Oh, that's cool. Okay. That's pure Yeti AMD. Done. Sorry. Running the distribution cycle and the yearly accumulation cycle. I low-key agree with Dom. I think Maybe this will come tap back into the midnight. Let's see, there's a reason I wait for confirmations before I do things. There is a reason I wait for my confirmations before hopping in. That being said though, if I had hopped in here, would have been a win. This one would have been a win. Damn. That being said, those are both like B setups. One here may be a little bit risky because it just took out all of the sell side liquidity. It has not tapped into this volume imbalance yet though. To tap into these shelves. Let's see. Like I said, I'm in no rush, guys. I know a lot of people are in like a rush to get their trades in. I am in no rush. Hey, what's up? Louis, 100%. Oh, when it comes to the charts, patience is key. And to be fair, I am being pretty strict with myself with regard... Oh, there we go. No, it just missed that volume imbalance. I'm being strict with taking my A+ setups regardless and sticking with it. Yesterday I had... So literally, yeah, that was interesting. Actually, yesterday, I only had 2 opportunities to take A+ setups. There were literally only 2 A+ setups yesterday. One in London and one in New York. The one was a loss in the London session and the other one was a win in the New York session. And obviously New York higher volume, the win was just a whole lot more. That was cool. Very broken. I was talking about my entries in Frontier. Pay attention. If price returns upwards, everyone holding shorts will close in a panic and they'll put more buyers in the market. 26417. I'll look to trail stops if it gets there. I don't think it might reject off of Midnight Magnet. Even like VWAP. First ES is falling short. Wait a second, is ES making... Oh, it is. It's making a tabletop again. ES is making a tabletop again. Remember it did this yesterday. Nice. Oh, didn't quite reach it there. But we've got a tabletop being formed again on ES. That's cool. Really wanted to break that yesterday. Let's do this. Just missed that volume imbalance. Still, again. Second time I missed it. If it closes above 474, you're buying. It's basically if it breaks these fair value gaps and it's going up, up and away. I still think it's gonna dump a little bit lower. Maybe tap into VWAP on ES. It's been respecting the VWAP really well on ES recently. And it's right there by some sell side liquidity. So I think this is still going to go down a little bit further. Let's see. To what level Around what level is here? 7071.50 on ES. So like I said, maybe down to midnight. Again, this is obviously just me speculating. Doesn't mean it's gonna happen. I could be oh so wrong and this thing could just start pumping back up. I'm feeling lucky short NQ Trust. That's COTT. You're not trading, right? Also, how's your holiday? Well, holiday. Yeah, Riz, this is the 1 minute currently. I go long entry but wick at the last candle. I like what you're wearing. Look like a cool. I'm totally wearing a priestess. You know what? I'll take it. I'll take it. Thanks, Libby. I think we're gonna have a liquidity sweep and just place up. IQ trades? Guess the question is, I mean, was a little bit of a liquidity sweep that happened here. There's so much sell side liquidity is gonna come and sweep down here at 416. Ah, this is where the 417 came from. I get it, I get it, I get it. Aw, thanks, Green Globe. Like, I'm just to remember in the beginning, you don't even know which way the market's going. Now you're like, yeah, I'll wait for a good one. New US Fed chair next month. They're chasing all-time highs fast. Hey, okay, that makes sense. Thanks, Orpea. I shall be trading. I was gonna do London, but nothing worth anything valid. Yet. We have only just begun. I mean, sure, yesterday, how long did it take? I think it took 2 hours for an A+ setup to form for me yesterday. Let's see if it wants to take out the wickless. Like I said, I was gonna do a liquidity sweep. And the magnet's right there. Okay, that's the reason I'm hands off right now. Let's wait for confirmation. If this is just gonna be stuck in a range, that's also gonna be very irritating. Rolf, remember the price really turns on a dime and it usually hunts stops before moving in the direction, so be patient. No, 100% Rolf. Guys, again, I don't think I can stress this enough, and it's why I hope no one takes this the wrong way, but I do giggle when people like hop on and be like, oh, your balance hasn't moved. I'm like, yes. Because patience pays, and if you're obviously like cradling a funded account, cradling it, like, you're fine, you're fine. You're gonna be extra selective and you're not gonna risk a lot at all. Like me and OTT was saying, I think I'll only start risking around $100 per trade when I'm back up to 49. And then only when I'm back up to 50 will I start risking my usual 200 per trade. Until then, I'm just gonna keep slowly grinding up. That is literally my plan. I'm just gonna see how NQ does over London session. Got a feeling it's just manipulation for session and go during New York session. I mean, low-key similar to what it did yesterday then. Was it? Yeah, a little bit. London session yesterday kinda did that. Yeah, okay, never mind. Was wrong. Now we're going up. I really thought it would go a little bit further, but clearly this was enough liquidity, maybe a little bit more of a pullback. So Dom is in for a long. OTT is 2. So I'm a small little scalps long. Let's see. Oh, just missed. I was curious about this. It's full range. It has yet to come back and tap into this 0.5. This is actually quite a nice trade. Okay, it rejected off of the shelves. I see. Let's see how we react here. Five minute. Okay, into that 5 minute fair value gap. Am I down or up on my balance? Well, I'm slowly going up. I'm in drawdown still, but there was a point where I was, how far was I? I think I was $15 away from blowing my funded account. Hey, Nexus Zero, how you doing? Where am I from? I'm from South Africa. How you doing? Bought at 471. Is it bad that I still think this is gonna go down further? I still think this is gonna drop a little bit. So yes, this is a funded account. I could be wrong, right? This is why I wait for my confirmations before I do dumb things. So I've been there, done that with dumb things a few times before. Took out there, and then I might come back down. Let's see. TP hit. Hey, OTT! Whoop whoop, well done! Did you just market it? What did you do? She's from Narnia. You know what? Narnia looks like a jam. I wouldn't mind going to Narnia. Do I use Telegram? I do not. What's up, David? How you doing? Scaring everyone with the screams. How goes it? I mean, technically that was an A+ setup, but it's just not going to come back yet. 323. I was wrong with my bias yesterday. I was convinced still that it would potentially want to go back down. I was wrong. But then I changed, you know, don't be married to your bias. Feel free to divorce it if you realize it's wrong. I wanted to clear the London time cluster. I hear that, Louis. 30-minute fair value gap as point of interest, 1 minute order block. Oh, what's this meme? That is the screaming meme because that is so relatable. I protect in blue line and bob levels total TP. Nice. Oh, Riz, you gotta be a member to have access to the memes. Oh. We're on Discord.
Nice.
Yeah, if you guys want access to the memes, you gotta be a member. I think I'm funny. Trading London's so weird, been so long. I know, OTT, I know. There was a point where London was like my bestie. I preferred trading London over New York. Recently, I've preferred New York again. Maybe it's just because of the lack of volume. It's probably just because of the lack of volume. Aw, thanks, Nexus. I appreciate it. Thanks. Minute whoopsie daisies. Okay, up and away we go. there would be literally, there has been no point for me to get into this. Tapped into the, ooh, that's now a bit too close to my stop loss. Makes it no longer A+. Okay. Okay, then I guess more patience is the way to go. ES is about to tap into something interesting. Let's see what it does there. Nice, Dom. So Dom, you are officially in the green. That is awesome. What a way to start. Well done. Can't believe it missed tapping into that volume imbalance. Wow. Just wow. For anyone that has hopped on.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
You're doing amazing. It is indeed risk free. Let's see if I make 20 bones. Louis, did you close your other position? Or you're still in that and you just added on? I'm saying nothing. Next pullback and continuation up. Tapped into that order block on the 5 minute, didn't it? Oh, it did too. Going into there. Patience pays, patience pays, patience pays, patience pays. This is no longer an A+ setup because of where the stop loss is. Shoot. It's a B setup because of where the stop loss is now. Okay. So I can't take this trade. Sorry, guys. I'm taking A+ only. I have two. A little bit of a shelf and a fair value gap, but that's about it. I feel like this volume imbalance is just a little bit too close to where stop loss is. I don't know, like everything just feel perfect here for some reason. Your chart theme and your background. Aww, Riz, welcome. Listen, I don't know everything. I've only been trading for a year. I am still learning things all the time. Literally, I never stop learning things. And the charts sometimes humble me. Sometimes I'm like, I've got this. And then the charts turn around and go, no, you don't. Which is rude, but whatever. Hey, Jose. Be patient is the key. Exactly. It's rough. Yeah, close and then bought again when it rejected upwards off that 460 area. Why is that a B, not an A? It only has two. I have a fair value gap. I guess these two fair value gaps, but fair value gap. I do have this little shelfy shelf over here. So hear me out. There is this imbalance. This volume imbalance. It's just really close. It's really, really close to the stop loss. Which means it could very easily wick down, take me out, and then only would we see a continuation. Which, yeah. Does that make sense, OTT? Is that just me overthinking? It could just be me overthinking. In which case that's bad and I should place a trade, but now it looks like it maybe wouldn't have even tagged in. Becomes one gap together. Remember the concept of volume balance and fair value. When there's a fair value gap, which is the same as the volume balance, it becomes one gap together. So this is then just one huge fair value gap. If we broke blue line, we go to Bob. We didn't really. Ah, but then in that case, it's definitely a B setup. Does that make sense? Oh no, this is going back up. So it actually wouldn't have tagged me in regardless. See if it would have reached TP. Oh, we're going up. Whoever shorted that breakdown is wondering if it's a good idea to stay in their trades. There's a lot, that's why I just used value gaps. Oh my goodness, OTT, yep. So it could be tricky on 1 minute, but 5 minutes to short the noise and we'll confirm signals. Is there any group where you have tutorials? Not really tutorials. There's a Discord if you want to hop on and ask questions. And there's like some book recommendations and some things there. If we gift you $1,000, what's the first thing you would do with it? Put it in savings, most likely. Yeah, most likely put it in savings, Eddie. What would you do with it, Eddie? What am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. What's up? Okay then. Any betting? It's like green if you think market will go up. Oh no, Explorer. Why on earth would I do that? How much interest do I save? Savings account? Not that much. Well, I guess it depends on the bank as well. What does mine give? 18%? A little less? I think it's less than 18%. Nice, cleaning stop loss and not buying 20 trading accounts. Take all ICT concepts and try to use them, you'll be unprofitable. Just use like 3 max, for example, we just use fair value gaps and various high time frame breaking boxing as is only for entries. Am I invested in gold, physical or digital? No. Let's see if this would have worked out. If it would have, I'm gonna feel a little bit like a toolbox, but again then, it's literally only 2. I had a shelf and a fair value gap. Which makes it a B setup. And I'm only taking the A+ setups. I was only $17. Don't really care. Oh gosh. $20 more back in buys. Good grief, Louis. Louis, how many trades do you take a day? Out of curiosity. Ayo, Mike, what's up? How you doing? Expecting that volume imbalance there. Alrighty then. We tried the famous prediction site called Polymarket. People are using it a lot. Nope, never even heard of that. Has anyone heard of that? How to trade. Hope you've been enjoying life. Aw, thanks. What do you mean, Mike? I've been here the whole time. I mean, I wasn't here Monday and Tuesday, but I've been here. Trust, I've been here. How have you been, Mike? Didn't notice it. Yep, there's 2 Louis. Sorry. So I'll keep calling you Louis, because then we can't Can't mix that one up, right? Depends on how NQ is acting. If there's a lot of chop, it's anywhere from 5 to 10 trades. If it's moving, it's 1 or 2 trades that hit TP. Just talk with your session. You'll love it. Yes, prediction market is a new thing. How to earn knowledge about trading. Guess YouTube is a good place to start. Just don't pay for courses. Is it good? Right, I've been in my... Oh, that's good though, Mike. Call him Ilan. Call me Louie, or you could call me Future Ninja. True. That's also true. Oh, okay. Part of me is upset for not taking this trade. But, key point is it was actually not an A+ setup. So I shouldn't be upset with myself. There's no reason to be upset. It looks like it would go, yeah, it's gonna go up, but again, it was not A+. It would have been, like, literally would have whipped me in. That would have been pretty cool. But it was not A+. I had two. I had 2 confluences. Twas all. Yeah, so that actually, it would have been a winning trade. No, it's like failing over and over, losing everything. Go numb, flip a coin and full port, Eddie. Stop telling people your experiences. Kidding, just kidding. Well, I didn't take it, Dom, so no. Not whoop whoop for me. Like I said, it was not an A+ setup, unfortunately. But still nice to know that the TMT strat is back in play, right? It is nice to know that the TMT strat is back in the books. F194 flat. Okay. Okay, another B set up there. Not ideal. Okay. A little bit back into this range. Top professionals, any professionals have mentors and coaches, so not so much a course, but find someone when you're ready to advance your trading skills or anything else. Well, I guess you're not wrong. I mean, it is possible for you to learn by yourself with the resources out there. But obviously, if you want to get it done a little bit quicker, then that's the way you go. Eddie, am I wearing pajamas? No, I'm not wearing pajamas. This is just a nice, comfy shirt. These are my shorts. Yeah. Am I wearing pajamas? Good grief. I'm definitely not wearing pajamas. What's up, Hammer?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
How's it going? Okay. I'm obviously low-key bummed about missing that trade, which has spiked the FOMO a little bit. So I'm gonna have to calm that down for a second, because now I'm like, searching for one. I'm like, I need to get one in. I need to get one in. And whenever I do that, I get losses. Anyways, first cosplay now pajamas. It's low key impressive, guys. I don't understand what I did. Rough. Okay. Hey Hector, Tradeify, yeah, Tradeify is awesome. Especially with, like I said, I actually want to go get myself one. 40% off on all accounts until the 30th of April. Yeah, the 30th of April. And it's a once-off fee. It's not a monthly subscription. It's a once-off. That is freaking awesome. I'm gonna turn my gown. Oh, yeah. No ways, Hammer, do you? To be fair, I've gone to the mall in my slippers before, which is hilarious because there were those fuzzy unicorn slippers. Everyone was looking at me real funny. It was fun. Take profit trader over everything. Ah, but you see, Eddie. Ah, but you see, in South Africa, I don't got that. Will you try a more expensive account next time for more capital? No, probably not. Outlook question. I just joined a Discord. Oh, no, Riz, sorry, that was a color fun run. It was a color fun run. Sorry, Riz. Where is South Africa exactly? Is it near Australia? Explorer, where are you from? If we touch Bob Level, I want a nice whoop whoop. 100%. USA. Okay, broken above. What time is it? Ooh, it's nearly 4. Gonna have to keep an eye out for 4. No. Yeah. Not A+. And the Prince of Pips, what's up? Do you trade any Wyckoff? I do not. Sorry. I know of him. I know that a few of these amazing community members do actually trade Wyckoff. I feel like I did not say that correctly, but anyways, I know a lot of people in the community do trade it. I'm assuming you do, right, Prince Pips? Well, it's not winter here yet. It's autumn. Well, not even. When does autumn start? When does spring start for you guys? Oh, best to learn from Scalping. What do I trade? So I guess I trade a bit of a combination of market auction theory, ICT, and SMC confluences. So I guess it's my own little strategy. It's good. It's good. It's really simple, but sometimes simple works. Or are you asking what asset do I trade? Because I trade the Nasdaq futures, the micros to be specific. Sorry. Just from your previous question, I assumed what strategy. Alright, we cleared the London cluster. Hopefully it can drop hard from here. Where do you spend most of your critical points? What a random question. I don't. I guess is the answer to that. Okay. So I'm now watching this going, Again, this is not even, it's nothing. Nice, you tried your own hybrid working on the same, sorry, yeah, okay, cool. Principips, what are you trying to do? Or make, I guess. What strategy have you been formulating? There we go. Same kind of like before, long weekend up. CT concept. Use mine on miles for trips. Ooh. Yeah. Traveling do be expensive. I picked horses over travel. Maybe that was a dumb idea. But I mean, I grew up with horses. I don't think I'd ever be able to not. Profitable finding compliments and CCs, except I use volume down a bit of channel surfing. There we go. Yeah, see guys. There's no one saying you have to do things exactly all the time. Find something that works for you. Find something that makes sense to you. And make it, that is the whole point of an edge, right? For me, an edge is just whatever you have found that helps you become profitable. That's it. Maybe that's too basic. Whoop, okay, so yep, that was not A+ and it would have been a loss. Anyways. Let's see. Let's see this now. We are actually kind of low-key just stuck in this range. Maybe a little bit of manipulation to the downside, but true. I know. You know what it is?
Emotional damage.
That is what it is. It's pure facts right there. Hey JC, are you still here? I'm trading SP 500 Nasdaq and do some analysis and trade on Nasdaq. Wait, I've seen traders using SP 500 Nasdaq and do some analysis and trade on Nasdaq or S&P. Like, are they connected? Oh yeah, so Riz, they kind of they follow each other. I feel like I'm explaining that really badly, but in general, they work together. I'll give you 75% on the dollar. Take my account and trade with it for today so I can do nothing. Atlanta, are you sure you want to do that? Are you sure? Are you sure about that? For example, if I day trade, I use orb strategy. Oh, there we go. I had a look at orb. It did and didn't make sense to me. My editor, I think, is understanding the current market conditions and using them. People think I'm strategy hopping, and I am for efficiency purposes. Interesting. Price consolidates for several reasons. One of them is for you to open a position. Atlanta, not sure at all. Oh, yes, there we go. Probably the end of my sanity right there. Yep. That sounds about right. To be fair, I would trade it. I don't even know if I'll take a trade. I'd be too like, I don't want to mess with anyone else's money. I don't want to be the reason. I don't want to be why someone loses money. That, I mean, if I gain, awesome. But what if I don't? I'd feel awful. I'd feel so bad. We're stuck in this range. Yay! I mean, it's not a bad day trading, like I said, just unfortunately for me. Meh. No, just... Although everything is... ES is dropping quite a bit. NQ obviously not so much. As you was kidding me, so I had to switch it up using off market structure and price action. Mostly trend following, still crafting it though. There we go. I mean, Principips at the end of the day, as long as it makes sense to you. Cheers, Atlanta. Enjoy. Louis, I'm assuming you're in a short, right? Just a wild guess there. Okay. We're still stuck. Sounds like you become like, what? Aw, thanks, Jose. I hope so. So ES and NQ have a bit of divergence as they got close to all-time highs. Interesting. Trend lines and price action for swing trades. Oh, careful. I know a lot of people that are not fans of trend lines, but I mean, again, if it works for you, then it works for you. Don't give a damn what other people think. If it makes sense to you, awesome. Yes, I'm thinking if you click me a prediction, get a really pretty butterfly of the day today. Ooh, okay. Let's see, Louis. I do like to use S&P NQ for analysis. I've seen TJR doing that every time. So yeah, Riz, check. I have it open on the side here. So I do actually have it open as well. And I do have a look and see like what is ES doing, because it tends to drive NQ. Tends being the keyword. As you can see, it is out of sync right now, so an SMT was created above here. But yes, I do have S&P 500 open on the side. Or ES, you can just call it ES. It will make your life easier. Yeah, make your life easier to just call it ES and NQ. Da 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 da. I'm yelling timber. Sorry. This is now going down. Hey, Jean-Pierre, what's up? How you doing? Runs in between ES and NQ are the most useful. I do agree. I do agree. Oh, okay. ES is about to tap in. Well, let's see. It's getting close to VWAP on ES, so let's see how it reacts off of it. If it's just gonna crash through, if we're gonna have something good. I feel like I have to go make myself another cup of tea. I thoroughly enjoyed that cup of tea. Anyways, sorry, that was the most random thing I've ever said. Louis, okay. Why is he funny? 460. No ways, is that your TP? Please may I ask what you can use TradingView. Miss Agile. You can use TradingView for free future trading platform with paper, but obviously, yeah, obviously it'll be delayed, so you won't get real time, but you'll still get experience. Okay, I'm watching Louis. Let's see. I cheated on your stream. I went to have a check on Tom. Wow. Rude. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding, Hammer. How's he doing? Also, hasn't Tom, but I mean, he's very well known, so I'm not surprised he has 1.8k traders watching over there. Whoop whoop. Whoop whoop, live here. Oh, he's losing. Oh, damn. Okay. Proud. Here we go. Oh, wow. That just went straight through VWAP on ES right now. Also, Hammer, was I too boring for you? Was I just too boring for you, Hammer? Is that it? I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm completely messing with you. Anyways, I'm not gonna lie, I'm my short. What platform am I using to trade? I'm using TradingView via Trade8 via Top 1 Futures. 146 points in the. Oh, does he not have a TP? I mean, a TP, a stop loss? ES just showing bearish for my strat. I know ES has been looking bearish, but now just drop below, altering here a little bit. I wonder how. I wonder why. Ooh. Oh shoot. Okay, I'm hands off until 4. Sorry, I've been on the receiving end of trading on that 4 a.m. candle, and I'm not a fan. So let's see what 4 a.m. brings. Maybe it gives some more opportunities. Boop, boop, boop. Opportunities. Let's do this. Okay, like I said, that just smashed through VWAP on ES. I know. He was love. Oh, we know you love him. Motivate, do you pay? I have TradingView, but for trading paper money, try Trade8, but it's charging. Yeah, you can. Guys, am I wrong? You can use TradingView and paper trade, right? For free. You don't. Yeah. Trade8, do you pay? Are you making? Well, I'm using a funded, so yeah. Bullish. Hey, JV Joe, what's up? James J, thank you. If ES taps the bullish by belly gap, then I'm bullish. If we close below it, I'm taking shorts. Yes, you can paper trade and TradingView. I thought so, yeah. You don't need Trade8 or anything like that. You can just paper trade and TradingView. It's just delayed, right? By like, what, 10... It's 10 minutes? 5 minutes? 10 minutes. Wait, what time is it? Oh, shoot. 2 minutes. 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go. Let's see. What's up, Trust? How you doing? You'll need live data. It's like $7. That's what on your last 2 days. 24k profit. Couldn't let it get away. Do you catch other streamers trading on YouTube? Do I watch other? Yeah, I do. I do. Why? JV Joe? 10 seconds. Let's see. Well, wait, no. Now 10 seconds. 2, 1, go. I expected more. I'm so sorry, guys. I was like, can't trade that for him. And here it is doing nothing. Did I speak too soon? Well, Hannah, sorry. Hannah, I'm saying if you don't have like a live broker account, if you just want to go and practice your strategy. right? So you just want to practice your strategy before you get a broker and. That's not great, but 1, 2, how's this look on the 5-minute? Why does this low-key look like an M formation? No, man. Sorry. Just seeing here what we're getting. Huh. Is my, I don't know, last training session. I timed it right. There's a delay on your stream. 10 seconds, actually 10 seconds. I timed it. Ah, my bad. Hey, yo, high life. What's up, bitches? Looks like no problems with your internet today. Yeah, nothing right now. So that's something. Number 15. Amy. Ah, okay, tapped into VWAP on ES and then went down. Don't think this would have come to tag me in. Damn. That was a solid rejection off of that VWAP on ES right there. Tapped into that doji. Hey Mike, am I looking to take a trade right now? I was looking at this potential shorty short over here. She had a little bit of a change of character. I think it's gonna keep going down without coming back up. First though, gonna go to Midnight Magnet. Let's see, I think the bears are now in control. Nah. Sorry, I was thinking about being cheeky and I was like, don't do it. Don't do it, not worth it. It closes under 458. I'm shorting again. I think it is gonna. Whoop! Here we go. Like I said, Midnight Magnet. Feels cheeky for me to do that. What's the 4-hour fair value gap on ES? Well, you best believe I'm gonna be staring at that now. Thanks, OTT. Mother fluffer. Here, wait. Ah, midnight. Do you think this might just want to be going back to VWAP? No, come back. I don't know what that was with the hands, but we're going with it. Oh, VWAP, bye, bye, bye. Okay, bye, 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 bye. Okay, it tapped into the 4-hour on ES. ES taps it and NQ doesn't decent for longs, but I would prefer to go below and then get to the spot for lower. Oh, damn. Okay, look at you go. Alrighty then. That was insane. Didn't come up to grab that one. Pity. Pity, pity. So theoretically, I should keep that one up. If it's gonna have a pullback, it's gonna pull back further up now. Watch for ES to get back above. What? I've taken profit now. Hey, James, nice! Well done. Okay, so I see there's a few whoop whoops in the chat. Well done to everyone that got some green. I don't like that. Watching on ES, we might get a rejection here. So order block fair value gap tapped. Let's get back to the 1 minute here. Bouncing off the VWeezy, long here now. I'm not so sure, this might just... Well, right now it's bouncing between VWAP and Midnight Magnet. Longs might be a banger enough for life for SMC, 15 minute SMC. What more can you need? Oh, this thing's just gonna keep going down. So much for that. A decent entry, go for it. If not, wait, but I suspect we're gonna keep dropping. That 4-hour gap will be inversed. Yeah, that wouldn't have even been close. Wait, OTT? What? You're saying longs might be a banger, but if you get a decent entry, go for it. If not, wait, but I suspect we're gonna keep dropping. So do you think it's gonna go long or gonna go short? There you kind of contradicted yourself a little bit there. A little stuck here. It was the right choice, still trailing.
That's what she said.
Hey Mark, what's up? I'm saying is if I get a CI or uniform on 1 minute, I'm taking it long. If not, I'm not randomly long. Okay, got it. Okay. Because I was like, 1 and 1, we're not adding up to 2 there for a minute. Okay. Let's see now. Hey Green Globe, what's up? Automate all this. Automate all what? I would prefer for inverse the gap for shorts. Hey Michelle, long time no see. How's it going? Oh, took me a minute. $14. everybody. Well, you know, cannot complain. Let's see what we get you. I mean, these wicks to the bottom aren't looking great, but normally when it struggles to break above, it does mean that we could be going back down now. Okay. Hey, Bulljet, always trade with an if-then mindset. Trust. Case versus the gap and keyword happen to fill that gap with some kind of inventories. Skip the day. Oh, that makes sense. Okay, no, but OGT, that makes sense. If it does this, then cool. If it doesn't do that, then yeah, literally, it's just chilling there between VWAP and Midnight Magnet. What do my friends and family think? Oh, sorry guys. Ooh, it's like it's chill weather today. It's like a little bit overcast and drizzling. This is like eat popcorn and binge watch a series type of weather. I don't have popcorn though, so I'm sad. Anyways, what do my friends and family think of my trading journey? So I mean, my friends are obviously really supportive of it. They don't know anything about what it is though. I think I'm actually just quite lucky to have a supportive family because they're just like, that is so cool, but they're more interested in like investing. So obviously they do kind of give you a bit of a sideways look when you're like, oh no, I do day trading, because people have a little bit of a negative thing when it comes to trading. I mean, we've had this discussion a few times, you know, people kind of go, okay, so you're just gambling your money away. Not the case, but okay then. And yeah, then I guess, how do I put this? I guess they're really keen. They then want to ask me questions and things, but about investing, which obviously I can't help them with that. And some of them want to be like, oh, I'm gonna give you money and you must double my money. I'm like, no, don't do that. Does that make sense? Sorry, that was a very long-winded, short story long. But they're like, well, I get it right when I get a pink Bugatti. Nice. I wish. Let's see how it reacts here on ES. If it keeps dropping, I think this is then gonna be continuation down, down, down. Down it is. Why do we always have the people who want you to trade for them? Because people are lazy and they want to get money for nix. I have a rule: never trade friends or family money. Literally, it's the same thing as don't bite the hand that feeds you. Kind of, you know, you can't mix business and pleasure. All of those things. There's a reason. There is a very valid reason why you cannot do that. Well, that didn't come and get me. See how it reacts off of this bob level. It's not ideal there, but it is what it is. Nothing there would have tagged me. I need some confirmation that's going further down. The fact that it rejected off of that bob level something. Hey, am I using a prop firm? I am using a prop firm. I am on a funded account though, but I am using a prop firm. Why? What's up? What is today's profit goal? What is today's profit goal? That's a very good question. I don't really have a profit goal. I know that's weird. Guess the profit goal is to just be in the green recently. That's about it. It's very dangerous to have the mindset of, I have to make this amount of money. Looking at doing so myself. Listen, I don't understand. I know a lot of people have their reasons, but I don't understand why people wouldn't use prop firms. But that's just my opinion. I know everyone has their own reasons, and some people probably don't understand why people do use prop firms, but as risk management, prop firms make so much sense. I tried teaching a friend of mine, he didn't do anything. I told him he lost money, then blamed it on me. Yeah, there we go. It's just not worth it. Especially, it's the same reason if people want to learn how to ride and like, can you teach me? I'm like, same with regards to friends and family, because if I say something or if I'm harsh about something, then I'm just being mean. Whereas if a stranger had said the same thing, they would have listened and then problem solved. So yeah, just don't mix those things. It's not worth it. My lot size. You mean how much did I earn yesterday, Hannah? Is that what you're asking? I started on props is the best way to learn. Thank you. Yeah, I agree, James J. Again, the majority of trading is about risk management, right? Well, props are definitely risk management because you're saving your capital, or you're protecting your capital while you're learning and figuring things out. Use 0.5 lots to open a trade at 1.5 or max. Oh, good grief. Okay, yeah, no, I do not use lots. Emma. Wow. Yes, live account is different. Beast completely with the emotions. Exactly. I mean, there's still emotions with the prop and. But it takes a little bit of the pressure off. You call. Oh, okay. So I was speaking about contracts. So yesterday, I think I only traded one contract for each, but the difference was obviously London did not have a lot of volume, so the loss was I think $38, and New York, I think I risked $50, so gained $100. Is it just me whose live accounts aren't bad compared to props in terms of emotions? OTT, how long were you trading props before you moved over to your live account though? Maybe. Do I trade the yen again? I do not. Sorry, Jose. New TP at 415. I think this is going to consolidate a little bit around here. Maybe actually start going back up. Shoot, I actually theoretically should have taken this trade, but I didn't because of the bob level. Remember OTT was speaking about the bob level and putting it together with. So I mean, this theoretically is an A+ setup. I got myself fair value gap / imbalance. And what was the third thing? VWAP. But it just tapped into the bob level, which sometimes, you know, it rejects hard off of. Let's see, maybe I was wrong. Maybe I should have taken it. Have for tank. It's a valid long, but longs might get cooked today. I was looking for a potential short here, actually. But it's like I said, it just tapped into a bit of a support zone, and it can reject off of it hardcore sometimes. Like it kind of did there. Let's see what it does. I mean, I could still enter in on this, but using these as a complement, if you're gonna do it, you need to be strict with it. I'm being strict with it. Let's see. Ain't considered yet. What's up? How you doing? Looks like New York a little bullish at 9:30. Well, in all honesty, I may have gone break even, so this would probably have been a break even trade. But let's see if I'm correct with regards to the bob levels if this thing now shoots back up. Takes about 15 to 30 minutes for price to back up. The 5 accounts will depend on what you trade. CFDs or future CFDs, but much cheaper. There's some brokers you can $3 basically in CFD props, dirt cheap. Oh, interesting. Okay, but that, yeah. But again, OTT, how long were you trading prop firms before you moved over to that? Now it's gonna hit my TV and then maybe go up. Okay, Louis, let's see. Do you see a little bit? Oh no, I take it back. I was gonna say I see a little bit of absorption there, but it's gone now. You're on a volume trade over prices below support. I started props last year, and before then I was just... Okay, but that's probably why, right? But do you still feel as nervous with props, or is it less with props? Isn't it because you started live that now it's like meh? If that makes sense. I don't know if that makes sense. I think it makes sense. Am I in the UK? No, sorry, I'm in South Africa. If yes, are there prop firms you would recommend? I mean, to be fair, guys, like I said, I can't stress this enough. The Traderify situation right now is awesome. The Traderify 3.0, where they are competing. So freaking cool. Once-off payment. Yes, please. Anyways. In the visual, I can see that. What's up, Riz? Welcome back. Yeah, that makes a difference. I think if you trade in your own live account, then the props almost are irrelevant. Props more nervous. I don't know why. Not to the point I would hesitate or trade with emotion, but it's the OTT. That makes no sense. See, okay, so this would have been a loss. Like I said, maybe when it had reached down there, I would have moved to break even, but would have been a loss. Yeah. I'm learning how to add these bob levels in on this. Interesting. Very, very cool. Okay. Yeah, I heard Traderify is pretty fire right now. You have no idea. I'll share it. I'll share the things on Discord. 40% discount until the 30th. So end of the month. 30th of April. So there's 40% discount going on until the end of April on all accounts. It's a once-off fee, so it's not a contract that you have to pay every month. Once off, done and dusted. Yeah, I'll share them with you on Discord if you guys are keen. So when I get a bit more confident in my trades, do I think I'll handle multiple accounts? That's the plan. The plan is to eventually copy trade. It is the plan to eventually get there. Constantly, I agree with OTT props are nerve-wracking for me too. What? Let me say this. I know I can get 1k payout in 4 trades with a prop, but the live account, you don't really risk the same. I don't know. Yeah, James, this is a funded account. Hey, Beauty, what's up? Then all I gotta use is teach mine and get a sweet discount. Heck yeah, Louis. That's how it goes. Bob levels work. Just don't trade until price moves away from the level. Exactly, Rolf. That's what I'm low-key using it as. There we go. So it did reject, but if it keeps coming back down, then it could be a good, like, yep. This is gonna now be going. Yes, I just said yep. You know where that's from, OTT. I must actually. Let me quickly share them now. Before I forget. There we go. Ta-da! Ta-da! Go check that out on Discord. So I mean, Louis, when I started, I literally started knowing basically what a fair value gap was. So yeah, basically it's an open invite that you guys can definitely teach me things. Like I said, I have a notepad full of things that I've copy pasted. I've copy pasted so many things that it's actually ridiculous of things that you guys have taught me that I then go and do my own research with and. So it is. It's you guys teaching me. Like I said, actually majority of what I've learned is from you guys. Like if you had to run 2K into a live account, same as the drawdown, you wouldn't risk it the same as on a public account. And how live is a slow growth. What do you think? Retrace the 4-hour fair value gap, then go up? Potentially. No, Riz, you just got stopped out. Wow, let me give you your next lesson. Okay, I'm scared. What is it, Hammer? Wait, someone had a stop loss. We know what the rule is. The stop loss sound, ready? Sorry, it's just fun to make you feel a little bit better. Anyways. No website info. It's about statistics. I do not. I'm ready, Hammer. The candle goes down into 11 bars. We'll take the candle when it comes back up. That's what you want to see. Hey, Love. What's up? How you doing? We're a little bit stuck right now. We're stuck at this level. We're stuck at a deciding point. Pew 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 pew. Alpha trading, Debbie, liquidity. OGT!
Emotional damage!
Bruh! Okay. Well, how David sounds in bed. That was brilliant. Oh, the disrespect for this one. So like I said, remember this was actually technically an A+ setup. Oh my gosh, would have wicked out and then gone down. Rude. Rude. It's one TP2 and hopefully TP3 to hit. Nice, considered yet. I'm currently funded with top 1 futures, but I am wanting to get myself a Tradeify account. Calling. No. Okay. We still have a little, well, we still have a little bit of time. Not a little, a lot. Anyways, sorry, it's something my parents used to say. So we still have quite a bit of time. So maybe we're gonna get something more. Didn't have an entry on that, didn't have an entry on that. Only entry I had was over here. Okay. Give me 2 seconds, guys. I'll be right back. Sorry, Perry was complaining to me. This double drop, someone has to buy. Selling. It takes time. Oh. You know, I got up for a reason, and then my ADHD kicked in, and I got distracted. My reason was that I wanted to go and get the butterfly book, and I forgot it. Give me a second. Let me go get the butterfly book. I literally forgot it. That was the one thing. Seriously? Seriously. Hey, Perry, what is wrong with me? Okay. Okay. Now that the brain cells have been found, apparently, there we go. Took a minute, but we got them. We got them. So let's have a little looky see now. Right? Let's have a little look see. Like I said, unfortunately for me, nothing here would have tagged in. This still would not have tagged in. This one would have tagged in and then wicked me out before potentially going back down. Well, before going back down. It's about to take out this big bit of sell side liquidity. Want me to help you? His eye is itchy. And I'm trying to help him. Hey, Astro. To be fair, Astro, hear me out. It keeps changing. There'll be some days where London is just a freaking banger. And it gives trade after trade after trade. Not so much today, as you can see. And then other times, New York. But I guess recently, New York has been a bit better for me. Yeah. There was a stage that London, I would have actually just traded London, but New York has been a little bit better for me recently. Okay. TP hit. Oh, hey, Louis! Okay. Louis got his whoop whoop. Nicely done. Seriously, well done, well done, well done. Top one, yep. There we go. Now, when the fireworks are done and the celebrations are over, now let's do this. Let us have a look at butterfly of the day. Quickly. Quick sticks while this makes up its mind. So, butterfly of the day. No, we've done blues. That's still a blue. Just by the way, guys, all of these, sorry, not there. These pages are the same species. Well, yes. Genus, whatever it's called. All of these, they're called blues. There's 160 of them. Just BT dubs. Anyways, okay, well, now that I shown you that one, we're gonna do this one because it's cool. So Vine Leaf Vagrant is the name of this butterfly. Ta-da! I'll show us the one where he looks like that. He looks like a dying leaf. How awesome! So yes, this is butterfly of the day. We've now got him. So Vine Leaf Vagrant. So wingspan of 45 to 62 millimeters. So distribution fairly common in wooded savanna and riverine forest from Eastern Cape. So Port Elizabeth along coast and inland through KwaZulu-Natal to Swaziland. Also in Mpumalanga and Limpopo province in escarpment forest and riverine forest penetrating savanna. So habitat is forest edges, parks and gardens, flatlands, coast and hillsides, so like everywhere. Flight period is year-round depending on rainfall, generally 2 peaks, spring and late summer. His genus name, or well, his full Latin name, if you will, is Euronia cleodora. There we go. That is our butterfly of the day. He looks like a leaf. I love him. I leaf him. Sorry, if you know Afrikaans, leaf means love. I leave him. I'll stop. Let's go back to the charts. So we're still moving slowly. That's cool. That's cool. Still moving slowly. Da, 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 da. New York is always a sweetheart. I love that. Not gonna lie, today's so hard. OTT? A little bit. I preferred yesterday's price action a lot more than this. Let's see, we still have time. We still have time. Patience, right? Patience pays. I don't have anything I like here. A little bit of a rejection of there. Maybe it wants to head to Asia low. That could be something that it wants to head towards. What is butterfly of the day? Oh, I just saw... What was the guy's name? There is a YouTuber that does like bird of the day, and I watched it and I thought that was really cool. Oh, I'm gonna have to mention him. Starts with a W. Wes? I feel like it's Wes. Anyways, He does like bird of the day, and I thought that was fun, so I wanted to start doing something like that. And now we do butterfly of the day. So every day and every session we do butterfly of the day, just for fun, just as a little bit of a break between, right? And you learn something new and you get to see something cool and pretty in between the charts. A little bit of a mental break and then carry on. Divinely vegan butterfly doesn't just drink nectar, it pollinates. That is the second time I've done that. Pollinates flowers with its wings. When it flutters around, sticky pollen coats the underside of its beating wings and gets airlifted to the next flower. Most butterflies use legs or tongues. Wings into living pollen taxis, straight up aerial. Weirdness, that is so cool. The last few days the market has been sharp. Hey Astro. Yes and no. Well, yeah. It's been moving. It's just either running away with no entries or going very slowly sideways. Okay, I think the monkeys are back. Yeah, monkeys are here. Market has been trending hard, not chop. To be fair, this was kind of choppy. Like I said, this kind of ran away and this is now going very slowly in a direction. I think now will be the point of, is this going to start going back up? Was this just the retracement? Let's see. Is it going to head to Asia low and the new daily opening gap? That could be a point of interest right there. Yesterday, I was really definitely when trading forex. I can't speak for the other symbols. Oh, there we go. Yeah, sorry, don't trade forex. Yeah, trade futures. But who else trades forex? Can you guys? Do you agree? Yes, I'm long from 26417, looking for 460. Seems like 460 is quite a key level at the moment. Interesting. Hey Augustine, am I rich yet? Nah. I don't touch unless reclaims support on rising volume. Yep, we just gotta keep on grinding. Keep on keeping on, right? If this candle's engulfing in the next minute, I'm buying. I mean, that's not quite engulfing yet. Okay. Give us something good, give us something good, give us something good. All right then, it's not what I meant. It needs to pass the consolidation to the left. This one. So basically it needs to break above VWAP, is what you're saying. On the 2 minutes it's engulfing. I thought you were looking at the 1 minute though. Stop loss at 20 bucks. Hey Captain Crunch, what's up? How you doing? How's it going?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Oh my goodness. Do you guys hear them? Playing around. Being irritating. I always find the intro in the 2 minutes. Oh, okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. That makes sense. So, okay. Okay. Seriously? So I'm just kind of watching this now going, let's see what happens, where we're going. To get my monkey. It's been 6 months. Bro, I am not touching these monkeys. They are terrifying. Absolutely terrifying. On Discord, you can see a video of one like rushing me, and I'm like, nope, thank you very much. Can you see what I meant when I said time is and that it's bullish gap? NQ would tap the fair value gap. Now, technically, yes, I should be bearish and NQ bullish. Okay. Okay, that does make sense. So that's why for you OTT this is like a no trade session then, because they're literally contradicting each other. Nah, there won't be monkeys there, Debbie. There's no monkeys up in Gauteng. That's more built up. That's more like, I don't know. What would you... OTT, what would you call Gauteng? Like the business hub, I guess. Wait, was yesterday Wednesday? Yep, yesterday was Wednesday. Why? OTT? Did you forget where we are? Don't worry, I also have... I completely forgot because obviously I wasn't here Monday and Tuesday. I don't know where we are at in this week. The fact that today is Thursday is... What? Stop, please! Okay. Anyways, like I said, the fact that today is Thursday is mind-blowing. Why OTT? I feel like you need to have some explanations. You can't ask those questions and then disappear. What's up? What's happening? I think Wednesday is horrendous for me. Just looking at my stats on Wednesdays, I made a total of $8. Do I lose that many trades on Wednesday? Oh wow! The monkeys on one today. Yep, no, they are very irritating. That's interesting. So just Wednesdays are not your days. Baby and feed a grapes and t-shirt. Why the music box and go around? It's like panhandling with the playing the music box. Louis, that is so rude. That is so rude. I mean, it's kind of funny, but it's still so rude. TP at 443. Oh, so you're using the midnight magnet, Louis. Smart. Loki never realized. So you just have to sit out on Wednesdays. Is that what we are kind of getting at right now? What's irritating is that this theoretically should be the trade. But too many things going against that one for my liking. But theoretically, that should be the trade. I was gonna teach skills that makes profit off the monkey account. No! Teaching it how to play music. Shame. That's interesting set about trading Wednesday. I mean, isn't it similar? Like some people I know refuse to trade Mondays and Fridays, right? Cam Bam, you say it's time to long. I said it has to break above this. Okay. I don't like it. I don't see any trades that I like right now. Seriously? Literally is not a single trade that I'm looking at and I'm getting excited for. This is not great. We're going back down? Oh, sorry. Potentially we're going back down now. Hi, Maya, Felipe, hey. What's up, your one? How are you doing? Well, Felipe, sorry. How are you? Just trade your setup over and over and over. If you don't have a repeatable setup that you have mastered, the markets will wipe you out. Wait, is it illegal to have a pet monkey over there? I don't know. I actually don't know. I don't know if it's it might be illegal. Or you need a permit for, I don't know. I don't know if illegal is the right word. Have you actually written out your rules? Yes. Have you tried to fully automate backtesting of the strategy via, so not Python, I use FX. Yeah, you are one, I use FX. Replay. I've always just traded if my model showed, never really checked days and all that. When I get home, I'm gonna check months too. Really? Okay, okay. Let's see, because now I'm, oh, okay, I see Wi-Fi had a freak out. Are we back? Yeah, okay, I see Wi-Fi had a little mini meltdown there. But I think, oh my goodness. Like it even... like logged me out. There we go. Good grief. Okay, we're back. That was a big surge. No, still didn't go down. Nope. Just nope. How's this look on the 5 minute? Okay. Okay then. Sorry guys. Is it back to normal? I have no clue what happened there. The Wi-Fi just had a little mini meltdown. But it appears that it's back now. That was a bit random. Hey Ray, what's up? How you doing? How's it going? Seriously, did the monkeys like knock a wire or something? Seriously? See, the Wi-Fi's now having a little mini meltdown. Which is weird. Stop that. Okay. Should be a little bit better now. I hope so, guys. Is it back? Is it fine? Are we back to normal? Well, quote unquote normal. Yes, no, maybe? Are we happiness? Are we just kind of stuck, you know? Okay, we have time. We have time. Keep reminding myself that we're still good. How long have I had my funded account? A month? A month. Yeah, I think I've had my funded account for a month. No? Yes. Yes. Sorry. Sorry. I think the Bulls are ready to play. Let's see, Jose. Potentially, this looks like something. If this pushes a little bit higher, this actually might be like a super quick scalp. Ah. Dag nabbit. Nah, it's gonna run away without me. Gonna set it up just for one. Okay. Sorry, I'm giggling at the amount. Oh, just for what I could actually do more than one with this one, but let's just stick with it like that for now. Okay, tapped into midnight. Oof. Yep, don't hate this trade. Let's see what this does. Reaction was different, but the joy was the same. What was your wait, Louis, what was your reaction then? I want 460, then I'm out. Right, TP down. Now I get to sleep. Nice, Louis. Aw, man. Oof. Okay. I'm not risking a lot, and this is an A+ setup, so I'm gonna stick with it. I'm gonna stick with it because it is still A+. Let's go hands off for now. Looks like so. Okay. Price will buy to the highest highs in an uptrend. So, Rob, you think this is gonna go all the way back up to 487? Rolf, are you in this? Okay, well, it's hands off. Oh my goodness, I just yeeted this out. My bad. Okay, it's hands off. Like I said, Rolf, are you in this trade? Hey, Hunt Bar. This is the Nasdaq futures. So, well, and the micros to be specific. So MNQ. Yeah. Oh, I don't. Oh, you do it. I went to walk my dog. Wow. Louis, that's low-key actually amazing. I kind of love that reaction. No, man. Okay. Didn't come to tag me in. Is it? It is still valid for now. It's nearly not valid anymore. But for now, it is still valid. I'm trying not to chase. Okay, I've still got my 3. Still A+. Magician 10, everyone's the holding shorts will be trapped. Not yet. I trade ES. Oh, okay. So you trade ES. Nice. Why do you not swap between? Out of curiosity. Obviously, I'm just curious. Do you just have a rule against it? It's just not for you. You just prefer ES. Sorry, I'm sometimes really nosy. I hope you don't mind. I'm sometimes a little bit of a nosy Nelly and I want to know things. I'm faltering a little bit here. Still wants to break higher. I think ES wants to tap back into VWAP. Mother fluffer. Stop running away without me, rude. Oh, this is nearly invalid. Shoot. Okay then. I think if it breaks up higher one last time, I'm out. I don't like the Nasty Queen. Oh my gosh, NQ for Nasty Queen. I love that. How many contracts? Oh, this is just one right now. I'm currently only trading one contract. Cheers, Louis. Enjoy. See you for New York. Have a goodie. I'm out 35 points. Wow, that was really nice trade on ES. I'm done now. Nice, Joy. Where did you get in? Oh, Mother Fluffer worked on ES. Would I have taken that one though? Maybe not. Would have been a banger trade on ES there. Did not retest 50% there though. Oh well. Well. A little bit of a deciding point here, huh? Oh no. Lesby, sorry. Sorry. I still have my 3, so it's still hands off for me. Don't think this is gonna come and get me. At 7062, I got in. Nice! 6R trade. What? You got in at the bottom? That is Insane. I'd pull that order now. Why do you say that, James J? I think it did retrace the 50. Let me see something here. Did retrace the 50%. Well, if it doesn't work, it is what it is. I still have my 3 confluences, so what is life, bro? You should trade the US market after market open and wait for AMD. Well, I mean, I do trade the New York Open. Yep, I do trade. I trade just both London and New York. Have you not seen? What is life, bro? Have you not seen me there? What am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Hi. How you doing? Kitty. Bit of a rejection. As long as I still have my 3, I'm gonna leave it up. Those are my rules. Those are my rules. Oh, you're asking like strategy wise. So I use a bit of a combination, if you will, of market auction theory, ICT, and SMC confluences. Oh, they are back in play. Yesterday. Hey Miguel, what's up? How you doing? I say that because the push has happened already. That's fair, but I keep it for one reason only. It's still an A+ setup. So I'm sticking with my rules. I'm trying to be really strict with myself about that. I have my rules and I stick with them. And if it's a loss, it is what it is. But you have to be consistent. You have to be consistent. If it's A+, then you trade it. Win or lose. Why are you trading London on NQ? If I may ask. I'm not being rude, I'm just asking why not. I'll see you all in New York. Have a really... Oh, cheers, joy of travel. Enjoy. See you for New York later, mother fluffer. Why didn't you come and take me in? Respected the heck out of the Midnight Magnet. Ah, man! Missed me by a few points there. That's rude. You are one, Maya. Can you write out all your rules? I'd love to backtest your system. Sure, I can. Felipe? I guess. Problem is, if it does start to drop now, no, it's still A+. Leave it alone. I said if it broke above this, which it kind of looks like it's gonna do now. Shoot. Didn't come and get me. Yep. Didn't come and get me. How many points away was that? Bruh, that was 1 point away from tagging me in. That was rude. Today might look like we stay in yesterday's profile back and forth. Or would it? Yeah, probably you are one. It'll probably be easier if you pop me a message on Discord. Drop once it sweeps the noise. Scare you to tell how long you are into trading and if profitable when you get up. Of course. I have only been trading for a year now, officially as of Tuesday. I have been trading for a year, and am I still chasing a little bit? Sorry. So I've been trading for a year. Okay, and if profitable, oh, I am not profitable yet, but I'm not here to like try and hide that fact. That's why everything, the balance, everything is up for everyone to see. That you can see I'm not profitable yet. I'm not here to try and pretend that I am and that I'm doing like amazing, because this is supposed to be a very real life journey and experience of a brand new trader. Yep, this thing's not coming back. You wick whiffed, I know, and it's rude, Jackie. Like, it was a point away from tagging me. Urgh. Okay, well, whatever. That was mean. That was mean. Flip. Okay, so correct idea, just missed me by a point. I like the entry. It is chasing a bit, but I answered it. Everything all marked aligning up. I sent you a message. Thank you! No, I have not. Why? Cool, I made yesterday 3 years, still not profitable. Have you passed like evals and things like that? 023 PE? Do I journal my trades? I'm not the best at journaling my trades. I'm not gonna deny that, but I literally place every single trade I've taken on Discord. If I separate the order so it catches them. How many months of consistency? I would say 3. I would say like 3 months. Or if you've maybe had like 3 payouts, then I would say that you are profitable. Just for me, that's what I would consider profitable. But I know maybe some people have different ideas, like maybe just not losing is profitable. I don't know. What would you guys consider profitable? Profitable. Man. This really feels like chasing now. It hasn't quite tapped into VWAP on ES yet. Still have these 3. Still valid. Just barely. 1 year of making consistent profits is profitable. Yeah, there we go. Any giveaways? No, sorry. Got discounts if that counts, but it's not a giveaway. The skill is keeping the money, not making it. Man. So I'm trying to decide on this one. I mean, it's still $19 risk. I don't mind risking that, it's fine. I've been trading for 9 years and barely started being profitable, but I haven't scaled. Just looking for the best mix of order flow and CBD divergence and ads. Market before I enter. Oh, there we go. Okay, and you've been trading for 9 years. Let's see at least 6 months of consistency. 6 months of consistency doesn't mean 6 payouts. Just being profitable for over those 6 months, making 3 or 4 payouts during that period. Hey, Jake Shakespeare. How long am I sitting at the charts every day? So 5 hours or so? Making it and keeping it is the skill. Nice, yeah. You are not wrong. This does feel like I've completely pushed my luck with this one though. Might come and wick me out. Might not. We've had that, we've had that. Let's see. Hey Brandon, what am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, the micros to be specific. What's up? Yeah, son, I'm not sure if it's gonna... Yeah. Let's see, I am wanting to buy though. I might call it if it taps into the US VWAP. It has not tagged it yet. She'll come back. Just be patient. Watch 26411. Why 411? What's at 411? Also bad news for me because 411 is down there. My stoppy loss is over here. Hey, Boone. How you doing? 15. Okay. Oh, not 156. I was creating a head and shoulders on the 15-minute. So I'm really, really bad with head and shoulders and things. Nah. To be fair, I trade exclusively but to watch major market, but don't try or just... Maya's getting ready to pull the trigger. Listen, I have it... I have it set up. It's hands off. It's $20. Maybe it's a mistake, maybe it is low-key chasing, but I'm hands off now. Oh, thanks, Stefan. That's very, very sweet. Appreciate it. If this thing starts to go back up now. But that's not an A+, no. Definitely not an A+, that one. This one I've got Midnight, I've got VWAP, I've got four. I've got 4 confluences. Oh, cheers, Debbie. Enjoy. Short ad 452. And you are looking for 411. Nice. Okay, James J, let's see. I might be your liquidity. What time is it? Yeah, I might be your liquidity. So maybe some trying one sec. My wife's pregnant, so I can't leave or she'll wake up. Uh-oh. How to react in 15 and then go to 3-minute clean direction. It'll take longer on my phone. Well, I've placed it, and now we wait. Still safe to short now. I'm not looking for shorts, that's the problem, guys. I'm looking for longs. Hey, Richie boy, what's up? Risky, but we see him up 90 points already, so don't mind risking 25. Ah, there we go. Okay. So I'm pulling a face because buyers are a little bit stronger on NQ right now. For now. See, it did take out that, did take out that. I mean, I'm risking $20. It's not the end of the world if this hits my stop loss. Mm-hmm. Okay, tap in and go back up. So on ES there is an inverse fair value gap and a bit of a liquidity sweep, and it has not tapped into VWAP yet. I'm sticking with it. I'm swinging long on Bitcoin, so your bias is good. I see 460 getting hit, then 436, then up. Ah, well. Oh, let's see, Seb. Let's see if you are correct. Like I said, I'm now just, I'm hands off. I have my A+ setup. Now I leave it alone. Looks like a lot of shorties. Yeah. Yes and no. It's going slowly down. The slowdown makes me be like, Then again, I could be very wrong. Like I said, guys, I'm sticking with my rules. I'm trying really hard to not overthink it because I've done that so many times. And we all know what has happened when I do that. Up. But you know what? We continue. And it's like I said, risk management. If this is a loss, it's fine. If this goes back up now without tagging me in, Jose, FOMO. No, it's not FOMO. Trust, it's not FOMO. If it was FOMO, I would have taken a trade very long ago. So down, and buyers putting down to get discount for future offering out. Yeah, trust, guys. This is definitely not FOMO. I have my A+ setup. It's the first one that has presented itself. No, lie. It's the second one. But the first one, I didn't like it where it was with relation to my bob level. So I guess my... what would you call it? Supply zone. And I do like where TP is. Right now is buyer's first defense. Mother fluffer. Going back up to there. Like I said, guys, I might just be your liquidity. That's okay. You become profitable if you buy a real house and a lot from trading and things what you want. Oh, you're responding to what makes you a profitable trader? James J does look like a full fact. Well, it's not even if it's gonna tag me in. Right? I'm hands off. I do think if it tags through my TP level, then I'm calling it. Because then it won't be A+ anymore, then it definitely will be meh. This is a critical long since he has closed good and fair value gap. There is a bearish potential. Maybe you have to wait for confirmation at least. Like I said, I can see ES wanting to take out that little sweep over there. The full range. It was really close to sweeping the full range and then wanting to go back and tap into VWAP because it did not tap into VWAP yet on ES. And ES has been... how do I put this? On ES, it's been pretty attracted and then pretty rejected with VWAP recently, which is quite entertaining. Like, it keeps going back to it and then keeps rejecting off of it hardcore. Up, that's exactly it, son. Nothing is perfect. Oh, no. It's making a freaking mojo jojo. Yeah, well, it's fine. It's fine. Like I said, it's A+. I'm hands off because it is A+. If it is, can you tell I'm reminding myself. Sorry, I'm more talking through it to remind myself. Sorry, guys. I know you're probably bored of me saying this. If it is a loss, it is literally $19. Let's say $20. So, meh. Whatever happens, happens. But for real, Sid, who knows? Who knows? Ugh, I mean, this could tap into my buy limit and then just drop. That's definitely a possibility. Like, definitely a possibility. Aw, thank you, 023PE. Why did that send twice? That's weird. I have been waiting for this trade. Watch it now and not tag me in. Literally, I've been waiting 2.5 hours for this setup. Either watch it not tag me in and hit TP, or watch it just... No, that's negative. That's me being negative. I'll stop. Losses are data. Exactly, James. Losses are lessons. Never a loss, always a lesson. That is literally it. It's the only way I try and look at them. This thing is coiling right now. Solidly coiling. Tell me why you wouldn't long from your red line. I don't have a reason for why I wouldn't. It's just my GAN box. My red line is my stop loss. The 50%, which is where it normally tends to retrace to and reject off of, is my buy limit. That's about it. Maybe take that quick where the entry is. Captain Herbalist, what strategy setup am I using and what makes it A+? So I have a bit of a mix of market auction theory, ICT, and SMC of market auction theory, ICT, and SMC kind of smushed together. So sweet and simply, I use a GAN box for bottom of the range to top of the range. Sorry, I just realized something. Oh. Huh. Actually, sugar honey iced tea, theoretically, that should be the entry. But I do not like that trade. No. Okay, I'm sticking with this one because this one for me is A+. So what makes it A+ is it needs 3 or more confluences. So this one, I have a little bit of a liquidity sweep. I have a fair value gap. I have my VWAP. And right at the buy limit is the midnight magnet, which it tends to respect nicely. Took a few winners. Nah, not really, Mikuave. I'm just... This is the only trade that I have found that I'm like, yay! And I'm waiting. It hasn't tagged me in. Okay, so many acro. Oh, sorry, Captain Herbalist. I apologize. I got the new PC. I'm about to be so broke. Market better stop being nice to me, otherwise me and NQ gonna have some words. Mikuave, you tell him. You tell him. If this thing goes up now, I'm just gonna end stream. I don't even think I'll say goodbye to you guys. I'll just end it. I'm gonna go scream into a pillow. I did not. Sorry, I did not send you a friend request. Please, guys, if you join the Discord, it's not me. I mean, sorry, it is my Discord. But if you get a friend request, it is not me. It's scammers. So if you want to accept and report them, you can, because I did not send you one. Okay. I'm thinking of switching back to ES though. I mean, ES is being a bit more respectful, so that's valid. I'm out. This is... Oh no, James, I'm so sorry. Just sitting here waiting. No. But yeah, guys, if you want to join the Discord, let's actually sort that out. Oh my gosh. Okay, anyway, sorry. I'm giggling at what Debbie posted on the Discord. If you guys want to join the Discord, you're more than welcome to. Like I said, please just be aware, I will not send you a friend request. So if you get one, it ain't me. What's up, Zen? How's it going? Why are you amazed? What's up? What happened? What did I do this time? No, I'm kidding. Damn, didn't get tagged. No, that Boom. Do you want to get put on a timeout? What's up, Boom? How are you doing? I mean, it's not over yet. It's not over yet. Still waiting. It might be over soon, but I'm still waiting. Better not buy. Like I said, I'm sticking with my A+ setup. If it's a loss, then it's like you said, it's just more data, right? Data? I don't know how you guys say it. So it is respecting the 50% of that fair value gap on ES. Not so much here. Well, we sit and we wait. OTT, you still here? Yep, it is. I'm sorry. Whoa. Why don't you do another eval? I probably should. Hey, Russell just breaking new highs, about to take off. I have no idea. So I was trying to delete 2 breached accounts and I accidentally deleted active 150 with. Zane, I am so sorry. Data? You can request it back. Seb, what platform? Oh, Seb is saying for Zen. You can apparently request it back. Which platform is it? Shoo. Big cleaning and MNQ. Good luck. Yep, well, let's see. No. No, Zane. I am so sorry.
Emotional damage.
Sorry, maybe that was mean. But, that's, yeah. That's not very nice. Never use it. Or is they breach for no reason? Oh. Interesting. If I went break even, I would have lost my short. I'm break even now, I don't like it. Man. Seriously. I mean, it's not over yet, but Okay then. Stay out of the chop. I know, but I'm not. So I'll give it a few more minutes. Like I said, if it doesn't work, it is what it is. Maybe we'll start to see some movement now. Or in 4 minutes, because then there's a new 15-minute candle. Which is more frustrating, being a point away from getting tagged in or 1 point away from take profit and then reversing? Oh, that was a mean question. I want to say a point away from being tagged in, because if you're in and it was a point away from hitting TP, maybe you should be break even by then, so you still get something. New York Open will be better, I know. This is faking people out, we're chilling. Aw, thank you. Grind it out, yep. That's low-key where we're at right now, hey? Bit of a drop there on ES. Nope, and rejection, cool. It's 50-50, yeah. It could go up, it could go down, perfect. Wait. Problem is, it is at a bit of a support level on ES, and if it breaks below, it might want to go down solidly. I'm keeping a close eye still on ES. That wick is a magnet. Which one? This one? For me, the midnight open is the magnet. That out. Ugh, keeps taking out all of my points of interest. Sugar honey iced tea. Seriously, sugar honey iced tea. James, yep, no, this is just chop. Chop City! Now the sellers have come in. Oh, I'm in two minds. I'm trying to be good with my A+ setups of leaving them alone. Because, you know, often I've closed things and it's a problem. Well, it is officially tagged in. So let's see what it wants to do here. Like I said, regardless of what happens, It's $20. I didn't take out this, which is what I want to see it take out. And it hasn't taken out there, which is where my TP is at. Wanted to break, there we go, below on ES, which is what it did now. And then maybe a rejection off of that. Okay, that is what I wanted to see ES do. Let's see if we get a rejection. If not, like I said, it is what it is. It's $20. I'm not gonna be upset about that at all. I'm actually just more chuffed at the fact that I stuck with my A+ setup regardless of everything else. That has been my only goal for this week. A+ setup, take it. That has been it. It's such a simple goal, but sometimes for an overthinker, it is sometimes a whole lot harder than you think it is. And I am definitely an overthinker. But we have taken it. Oh, thanks, son. Well, let's see. Rules keep you in the game. No, exactly. That's why it's now... It's just hands off. And regardless of what happens, we do this. So, say, just to give you some background, there was a point where there was A+ setups all over the place, and I would literally talk myself out of winning trades. Just talk myself out of them. And then, because obviously I was angry, because now, oh no, I would take silly trades and obviously have losses because of that. Ah, damn, okay, I did what I didn't want to see it do. It broke it and didn't respect. Ah, it broke the level and dropped below. Ah, that's fine. Oh well. I wanted to see the rejection off of there. Ah, let's see, Jose. It did drop further on ES than I would have wanted to have seen it drop. So potentially not. This might potentially come and wick me out actually before going back up. But regardless, I'm happy for taking it. Hey, a.k.a, what the? How we doing? How we doing? Ooh, nope, nope. That was a drop. Oh, damn, okay. I didn't do what I wanted to see it do. Shoot. Okay. Well, at least I kept it. Oh! If this thing goes up now... No ways. No ways. Now it rips up. No, honestly. But... Are you freaking kidding me? Stop loss hit. Bro. Gotta love the Nasdaq. Thanks. Oh gosh, I love it. Yeah, gotta love the Nasdaq. She do be a diva. That... Guys. It took me out by a spread. Yo. Well, that was some audacity if I've ever seen it. Okay then. Anyways, that was $20. It's fine. That was rude. Anyways, let me do a screenshot and... Oh, then I gotta update balance. So down $20. That's fine. That's not bad. Like I said, I'm actually just happy I took it. For crying out loud. That is ridiculous. I'd re-enter that. Yeah. It feels like... I hear you. It feels like revenge trading. I've done that before. It's bad idea for me. It feels like revenge trading for me. I know. If that's a high low, that could rip for new highs. Yes, you're right now, just nasty sideways action. I cannot believe that. Wow. Wow. That was rude. That was rude. Okay, but. It's fine. It's fine. It is what... Oh, wait. I have to update my balance. So we went down $20. Okay, so we're still 616. That's not bad. Where's my balance at? We're still in the 6.10. Dunsies. Do you know what it also is that's bugging me a little bit is should have listened to myself with this. This was entry. Let's see if this one would have worked out. If it did, I'm gonna smack myself over the head, but it's fine. What do you mean I closed it, son? I got taken out. I didn't close it. Incredible how the A+ setup didn't win, but that wasn't A+. What a crazy world we live in. What do you mean, Capital Herbalist? This one looks like it's gonna work out now. It was A+, just the stop was a little bit too tight, and that's fine. It was still correct with the direction. At least your setup is working, that's good. Yeah, then because it stopped working completely in March. Deciding where to go. This is a no trade zone. No, that's fair, James. That is fair. So this strategy actually completely stopped working in March when it was kind of choppy. Am I forgetting something? Oh, my bad. I am forgetting something. The stop loss noise. There we go. Ta-da! Okay, well, what time are we looking at now? 5 minutes. Let's see. Let's see what this does. Crying out loud, I cannot believe that happened. Oh well. Everyone, not just you, trust me. Yeah, it's fine. We continue. Bap, 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 bap. Let's see. Says in the chop we're actually probably not going to see anything until New York Well, it is what it is. What's the midpoint of the wick just left of your fair value gap? Which way? Of where? Of the wick? Just to the left of your fair value gap. Which fair value gap? We right all the higher low to grab the highs. There's just no edge here. Alright, I've got to go this time. Oh, cheers, Debbie. 4:45. Oh, on the 5 minute. You mean the little wick that just got me out? Mother fluffer. Oh well, it's fine. Yo, this is the London session still? It is still. Feel free, what's up? I'm actually probably gonna be headed off now that I'm a little bit salty and wanting to revenge trade, which is bad. Like I said, good thing is that I had an A+ and I stuck with it. Just so close. I can't believe that did that to me. The spread got me. Weren't for the spread. Yeah, I can have it. Oh well. And it is kind of choppy. So I will be back then for New York session. Let's see if we can get some more A+ setups. I'm watching this thing go up still. I'm gonna hop on for New York and be grumpy. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. We're leaving it alone. We're leaving it alone. Leaving it alone. I cannot believe it did that. Oh well. It's okay. We move on. We come back. It's all part of trading. So it's exactly, it is data. I'm gonna see if the full range was correct. If that is the case, then I should have just used the full range. I kind of thought that it would reject off of the midnight more than the fair value gap. Boy, oh boy, was I wrong. Here it's going for TP. When am I coming back on? I will be back for the the New York session. So 3:15 EST time. Yeah. I know this thing's going up. It's going up to my TP, but it's fine. I will be back. It's going up so nicely now. Ah. Okay, I love you guys madly. Let me go and sulk a little bit. I'll scream into a pillow, and then we'll be back for the New York session where we can start again with a clear mind. You were saying, oh, South Africa? I am South Africa. What's up? Okay, let me go and see what Perry's barking at. I love you guys madly. I'll see you for New York. Okay, you guys are awesome sauce. Trade safe. Love you. Bye.